Hey guys, well, we made it up here. It is, well, 5 to 9 now. We've been here for maybe an hour. Don't know. Hit a little bit of traffic, a little bit of rain. And, I'm tired. Hey everyone, welcome to week 5. We didn't have a week 4 because it was Mother's Day week and we stayed down here. So let me show you what we got going on now. We got a bunch of more stuff to bring up. So, yay. Alright. So, Betsy's new chairs for her new table. This is an electric lawnmower we just got. We got some wood decking tiles for the barn. Slide out jack stands. Oh, there's a memory card there. See, you know, you never know where you're gonna find these damn things. Mosquito repellent box thingamabobbers. That's the charging unit for the lawnmower. I'm not sure what that is. It's something Betsy bought, and same with that box. So yeah, I don't know. So we got everything loaded in the van. Betsy's on her way now. It's already 5:45. We're usually on the road by now, but the benefit of this, not gonna be as much traffic. Clothes, extra stuff. When Betsy comes, then the rest of this will be full of other stuff. So our goal this week, move the shed. Next weekend's the holiday weekend. I don't feel like doing it, so I want to kind of do it tomorrow because Sunday's gonna be what, mid-80s. It's pretty warm right now anyway, so all right, gonna get the rest of the stuff in and get out of here. Hey guys, well, we made it up here. It is, well, 5 to 9 now. We've been here for maybe an hour. Don't know. Hit a little bit of traffic, a little bit of rain. And, I'm tired. So we got Betsy's chairs all out. Pepper's having a ice cream cone. Betsy's reading. We're trying out our little mosquito thing because, you know, after the rain here, it got the mosquitoes got pretty bad. So plugged that in, and it's been running now for a few minutes, and the little bastards are gone. Shh. No, don't say bastard.
You told me.
Anywho, so yeah, so we're just gonna relax a little bit tonight, and I don't even know if we're gonna uncover the golf cart yet because I don't know if it's supposed to rain anymore or not. It's kind of cloudy. So anyway, yeah, got a lot to do tomorrow, and I got some lawn to cut. Some of the seeds started to grow and some of it didn't, but you know, we have such weird soil and everything here. So all right, gonna finish my drink and find something to do. What do we listen to, Miss Piper? You don't know? No?
Traveling Robert.
There we go. What if we turn it up? Oh, there's the smile. Oh, she's trying to hide her smile. Who's that traveling Robert? I think somebody has a crush on traveling Robert.
Dad!
What?
I said stop it!
Oh, I'm in trouble. I embarrassed her. Alright. Today's Saturday the, I don't know, 16th, 17th. Something like that. Anyway, we gotta go into town, pick up a few things. Then we gotta get started. It's already almost 10. It is muggy today. But the grass is starting to grow again. Like I said last night, some of the seeds took, some didn't. And hey, it's all good. So we need to pick up a few things at the hardware store, the grocery store, come back. We need to put the lawnmower together, the jack stands together. The floor, I don't know if I showed you guys this or not. So we got some decking for the tiki bar. So we have to get some wood oil and put a coat of oil on it first. So picked that up at the hardware store. Betsy needs something from the hardware store too. Oh, motor oil for her car. Her Chevy is leaking a bit of oil. Anyway, get that done, get the grass cut. We'll move all the chairs, the fire pit. And my idea is we have the Lynx levelers, but we have the flat pads. Flip them upside down, put the cinder blocks underneath that, and then maybe we can slide it. If not, we'll have to take the cinder blocks out. And we're gonna walk it this way over this little part of the deck, and then we'll drag it out to here, and then we're just gonna back it on in, hopefully. Probably gonna have to take the cover off. I'm really gonna try not to, but at this point I think we're gonna have to. So want to get this all done today, or I should say this weekend, because next weekend's the holiday weekend. Don't feel like doing anything on a holiday weekend. So yeah, anyway, they're just finishing up in there. We're gonna head to town and then work. Seems like all we do. So even though it was cloudy and nasty yesterday, it's nice and sunny today. I don't even see a cloud in the sky. So all right, get on the road here. All right, so we just used our new electric lawnmower for the first time, and I am very pleased, actually. Yeah, I mean, it's not super loud. I'll start it. You have this key here, push in there, and then so did the whole lot. Let's see how much battery we have left here. I gotta clean it off because damn, did it get dusty. Barely used any battery. I love it. So let me show you the main reason I got this. One, it cuts a lot better. The old-fashioned push, man-powered one. Oh man, does that thing get loud. So here, I'll show you. All right. This is what we were using for the past 2 years. It was somewhat efficient, but if a twig got in there, it stopped it. The bagger was basically useless. And even if you keep it oiled, it's loud. So no one's around, so I'm gonna push. It is loud. Figure this time it's not as loud as it normally is, but it makes a metal-to-metal grinding noise. And it weighs almost, even though there's not much to it, it weighs more than that lawnmower. So, as far as electrification, I'm against it on vehicles, but on that lawnmower, I'm good. Plus our golf cart's all electric anyway too, so. All right, need to finish that up. Gotta do some weed whacking, and then need to start stripping down, taking everything out of the shed and moving it and whatever else, so. And it is 12 o'clock, so I would like to be done by 4. Not gonna happen. All right, guys, tired, but we got the shed moved, so. Got it there, now we got the big opening here. Gonna put some mulch there, move the tiki bar over. Yes, Miss Piper?
They said they were gonna go to the bathroom really quick.
Yeah, well, with all of them going to the bathroom and all that, it could take them a few minutes, so. You can't go anywhere till Mommy's out of the shower anyway. So we are dirty. So we had this brilliant idea when we put the shed together to put cinder blocks around the base of the feet to basically help, you know, if it gets windy or whatnot. Well, the bolt's under there, underneath the cinder block, so you have to have somebody hold the cinder block up while you're trying to do it. So you're crawling around a lot. Yeah, it was fun. Anyway, so Betsy's in showering. Piper's friend was just here for a little bit, and I think they're going to the park or something. I guess I'll start dinner, but I need to shower too because it's pretty scuzzy, but it's moved. So tomorrow, Walmart has the mulch on sale. So we're going, or not sale, but it's cheapest we've seen or heard of. Just where we normally get it was about $5 a bag, and Walmart has it for like $2.40 a bag or whatever. So we need about 40 bags. Yeah. All right. I have no more energy. I need a drink. And I hurt. So I'm gonna end this video for now. All right, we picked up a breakfast pizza. We made a breakfast pizza. Let's get ready to go in the oven here in a few. We got it preheating, and it's kind of late. It's already 10:30. We bought it this morning thinking that would be kind of our late lunch, but then they had this chicken special, fried chicken, big family thing. Really, oh my gosh, it was so good. So that got put on the back burner, but as a fresh baked, it's not frozen, and we have no room for it, so we're gonna cook it and eat most of it now, and it looks pretty damn good. So had a nice little campfire, and we're just wore out. Anything you want to say?
No, it was just a busy, productive day.
Piper, you want to say anything? No? Anyway. Yep. We're going to make our pizza. Alright, we got the mulching done. Well, I did. Betsy wasn't here for it. So our whole idea was 40 bags. Would make it over here where the tiki bar is gonna go, but we did have to put more on this side, and then some around that. I don't know what kind of tree that is, so we didn't do that well. But we're putting in a
Coconut tree.
It's a coconut tree. Oh, okay. She says a coconut tree. We have a floor that we're putting down for this tiki bar, and so once we have that down, we're not going to need as much mulch anyway, because that's going to cover most of it. So that ain't happening this week. Probably ain't going to happen next week. I still got to put some wood oil on the wood pieces, so we'll see. Anyway, it's hot, it's humid. I'm going to go take a shower. So if I don't make any more videos for today, till next time, happy trails.